Unroll the supplied textile Velcro tape and push it through the side opening of the memonizerDOG steel. Place the Velcro tape around the dog collar so that the memonizerDOG steel is on the outside of the collar and the ends of the Velcro tape overlap. Cut off the protruding Velcro tape. Pull the memonizerDOG steel off the dog collar and turn the Velcro strip until the overlapping ends are in the memonizerDOG steel. Slide the memonizerDOG steel back onto the dog collar. Now you can put the collar back on your dog. That's it.